Can weeds damage my AC condenser? Yes, weeds can block airflow, trap heat, and make the condenser work harder, which can lead to higher wear and possible damage. Weeds around an air conditioning condenser are a bigger problem than most people think, because the condenser needs open space to push hot air away from the unit. When weeds grow tall and thick, they can cover the sides of the outdoor unit and slow down the air moving through the metal coils. That makes the machine run hotter, and a hotter machine has to work harder to cool your home. Over time, that extra strain can shorten the life of the fan motor, raise your energy bill, and even cause the system to shut down on very hot days. One thing many people do not know is that weeds can also hold moisture near the base of the unit, which can help rust build up on parts that should stay dry. Some weeds can sneak under the unit and make it harder to spot leaves, dirt, or pests that are also causing trouble. The best habit is to keep at least 2 feet of clear space around the condenser and trim growth often so air can move freely. If the area keeps growing fast, using mulch or gravel instead of thick plants can make maintenance much easier. A common mistake is letting weeds touch the sides of the unit and thinking only leaves matter, but tall stems can be just as bad because they block airflow in the same way. Another problem is cutting weeds too close with a trimmer and hitting the condenser fins or wires, so it helps to hand pull near the base and use care around the edges. People also forget to check under the unit where hidden growth can trap water and dirt, so a quick look every few weeks can save you a costly repair. If the condenser seems louder, warmer, or less powerful than usual, do not ignore it, because that can be a sign the unit has been working too hard. If the area is hard to keep clear, a simple border of stone or bare soil can make the job much easier. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.